In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no desktop sound issue in OBS Studio. 1. Check audio device settings. Open OBS settings. Go to the Audio tab. Under Desktop Audio, select your listening device, usually your speakers or headset. Click Apply, then OK. 2. Check the audio mixer. In the audio mixer, make sure the desktop audio volume slider is turned up. If you see the bar moving when playing sound, but you still can't hear it in your stream or recordings, it's likely an audio track issue. 3. Fix audio track settings. Open Settings again and go to the Output tab. Set output mode to Advanced. Select either streaming or recording, depending on where the problem occurs. Choose the audio track you want OBS to use. For recordings, note that only one track will play back by default. Click Apply and then OK. 4. Verify audio tracks in Mixer. In the audio mixer, click the three dots next to Desktop Audio. Select Advanced Audio Properties. Make sure Desktop Audio is enabled on the correct track for your stream or recording. Close the window. 5. Check the Windows Volume Mixer. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and open the volume mixer. Scroll to find OBS Studio and make sure its volume is turned up. You should now be able to hear your desktop audio in OBS Studio. If you'd like to learn how to separate desktop audio tracks for better control, check out the linked video in the description.